Hello everybody, hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. Now that I'm helping you guys with all the other options, I think comparing Symbiosis with Christ University is a must. So here it is guys, in this video I will be covering each and everything that you need to know about Symbiosis University. Along with that, its comparative analysis with that of Christ University. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. Just in case if you're new to my channel, I would ask you guys to please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you guys receive regular updates of whenever I'm uploading any new video. Some basic facts about Symbiosis and Christ University. Both Symbiosis and Christ University are private universities. Christ University was started in the year 1969, whereas Symbiosis was started in the year 1971. Now in terms of number of campuses, Christ University has 3 campuses in Bangalore and 2 off campuses. One is in Pune and the other one is in Delhi NCR. Symbiosis on the other hand has 6 campuses in Pune and 10 off campuses. Now for all you guys, I've visited Symbiosis twice. Both the times I was representing Christ University, once for a debating championship and the other time for a theatre competition. Talking in terms of the student strength, Christ University has around 20,000 students in total, whereas Symbiosis has more than 34,000 students. Now, I don't know if you've watched that meme or not, but this is what it says, that Symbiosis is not in Pune, but Pune is in Symbiosis, and that's so true, because if you're in Pune, you would see every now and then a campus of Symbiosis there. Along with that, literally every student that you meet is majorly from Symbiosis. Now, the admission process of Symbiosis and Christ. So Symbiosis has various exams that they go off with, which is the Symbiosis admissions test, SLAT, SEED, SIT Triple E, SNAP, and then it is followed by a personal interview and written ability test. Mind you guys, the written ability test and the personal interview is not for everybody. Only after you clear the cutoff from the entrance test is when you're given the chance or called for the personal interview and the written ability test. Whereas for Christ University, you have a very generic process of the entrance test, the interview and the micro presentation, and all these 3 things anybody and everybody will do it. No matter what your score on CUET is, you will all be getting a chance to sit for the interview and the micro presentation. Talking in terms of the infrastructure of Christ University, now Symbiosis has a lot of campuses, but the 2 campuses that I visited, I found the infrastructure to be good. The auditorium and the other infrastructure was good and equal to that of Christ University. Classes, I think that Christ University's classes were a little better than that of Symbiosis, but again, that is again to do with new campus, old campus thing. In general, since both of these universities are private, that means the campus is pretty good. Both of Symbiosis and Christ have got lush green gardens and beautiful scenery around and everything. So I mean, there is not much of a difference between the infrastructure of Symbiosis and that of Christ University. Talking in terms of faculty, so guys, both Christ University and Symbiosis have got good faculties. However, discussing it with my friends and even checking it out on their website, everything, Symbiosis has a little more of guest lectures and a lot of personalities coming to Symbiosis, which I think is kind of missing at Christ University. There are a lot of personalities that do come into Christ University as well, but I think in terms of the number, they still have a lot more of guest lectures and everything, which is not there at Christ. But in general science, faculty is good at both the places. Like I said guys, I visited twice to Symbiosis for the events. Both Christ University and Symbiosis are really passionate about events, so every now and then you would hear about the events and fests are happening in each of the universities. There are a lot of internal fests that happen both at Christ and Symbiosis, and then there are also external fests that happen where they invite universities from all across the country to come and participate in the fest. And in that sense, both of these, both Christ and Symbiosis are really good. However, Symbiosis has more concerts and fashion shows which Christ University does not have. So when I went for one of my theatre fests at Symbiosis for Symba, which is I think done by the law school, there they had Farhan Akhtar live, which was like a proper concert that happened. Along with that, in terms of events, Christ University does not allow fashion shows and all of that, whereas those things are still allowed by Symbiosis. So in that sense, I would say that Symbiosis has a little more of concerts and fashion shows which are not there at Christ. Coming to one of the major differences between Symbiosis and Christ would come in the expenditure, and that is majorly to do with fees. So if you were to compare, Symbiosis has a little higher fees in comparison to that of Christ University. So that becomes one of the key differentiators between Christ and Symbiosis. If you take BBA, the BBA fees of Symbiosis is way higher than that of Christ University. Along with that, while you're taking expenditure into consideration, you also need to consider the expenditure of Pune City Life versus that of Bangalore City Life. In general, I think Bangalore City Life is a little expensive in comparison to Pune City Life, but there's not much different. Both of them, in comparison to other metro cities such as Delhi and Mumbai, are way cheaper. Both Bangalore and Pune are way cheaper in that particular sense. But again, you do the math and decide which one would you prefer in terms of the expenditure, because Christ University's fees is definitely going to be lower than that of Symbiosis. Talking in terms of placements, both Symbiosis and Christ have got good placements. Since they're private universities, they vouch for that 100% placement mark and all of that. So a lot of companies visit across. Obviously, it lot depends on the departments, guys. So don't take this as again a blanket statement. You refer it with your department and the course that you're going for. Naturally, some courses have better placements in comparison to that of other courses, and that is majorly to do with quality and all of those things. In general, like again sharing my personal experience, when I went to Ernst & Young in the Bangalore campus, in fact a lot of people, the same team from the Bangalore team from EY had gone to Symbiosis in Pune and selected people from there, and those people were then given the option to join Bangalore for their work. So in that sense, majorly it's literally the same. There's not much of a difference. However, a lot of my friends in Symbiosis did not take up placements for some of the other reasons. So but again, nothing to consider in that sense. In general, the placements are supposed to be fine, but do refer it with your department. Again, in terms of the difference, I think major difference between Symbiosis and Christ comes with the life of a student. And here are some point of views that you need to look at when you're considering the life of a student. Again, guys, there is nothing known as good thing or a bad thing. It's more about what suits you. So talking in terms of uniform, Symbiosis does not have a uniform, whereas Christ does. Okay, so Christ for every course is got to wear formals, which is like a shirt and pants, and for girls got to wear suit, kurti, all of that. For Symbiosis, they do not have those strict rules for uniform. Definitely their law students have to wear uniform, but again, that is also the case with Christ law students as well. Talking in terms of attendance, now again, this differs from department to department, but in general, Christ University's got a blanket 85% minimum attendance, whereas for Symbiosis, I think it's 75%. So that again is a huge difference. That means more the attendance, the more classes you have to attend, which again would not be the case with Symbiosis. Another thing while you're considering is the ROI, return on investment, because like I said, the fees in Symbiosis is going to be higher than that of Christ, and if you're not from Pune, then you would also need to consider the traveling expenditure and all of those things, and same is the case with Christ. So you consider the ROI and look at the number and the money that you're willing to spend for your undergrad. So that becomes one of the things. Now diversity is another point of view where I think that Symbiosis has got an upper hand. Why? Just majorly because it has 34,000 students, in fact even more than that. Okay, so naturally the kind of this, there'll be so many people from across the country. Like Symbiosis is also an international university. That means there's specifically a branch that has a lot of international students, and generally a lot of people travel specifically to Symbiosis and to Pune to study in this university. So I personally feel that the diversity in Symbiosis will be better than that of Christ. Again, you would also have international students in Christ, nothing like that, but do consider it and do take it as a point. Last but not the least is the brand value that you need to look at. Now trust me guys, there are going to be positive reviews, negative reviews about both the universities, but you do your due diligence. A lot of people have a lot of things to say about the life in Pune, the drugs and all of that. I mean, I'm no one to comment on that. All I can say is that it happens anywhere and everywhere, and it majorly depends on you as a child, on what all things that you take up and what all things you don't take up. So it's on you. But yeah, I mean, a lot of things differ, but a lot of things matter, so do look at it. I think that just because Symbiosis is grown over the years so much more, with so many campuses across and everything, so they are a little more recognized than that than Christ. But I mean, these are the points that you need to be looking at when you're choosing Symbiosis versus Christ. And obviously life of a student is really important because you'll be spending some very crucial years of your life there. So yes guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video clears all your doubts about Symbiosis versus Christ. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you have any doubts, questions, queries. Likewise guys, share this video with as many people as you can. And last but not the least, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you guys receive regular updates of whenever I'm uploading any new video. Take care guys, see you soon with another video. Bye bye.